Welcome back. We're going to find the area of a regular polygon, and it's going to be a moderate level example. If the polygon here is regular and it has a perimeter of 396 units, find the area. Well, if we know the perimeter, that's good, because the formula for area of a regular polygon is perimeter times apothem divided by 2. Well, the perimeter, 396, since we have 6 sides, 396 divided by 6 tells me that each side is 66. This is our apothem in this diagram, and the apothem goes from the center of a polygon to the midpoint of a side and makes a right angle. So that means each of these parts is the same. They'll each be half of 66. So we have 33 there. And we now have a right triangle, and the length of the apothem is the part that's missing in that triangle. So we'll use the Pythagorean theorem, and I'll just put A for apothem. We have A squared plus 33 squared equals 38.1 squared. 33 squared gives us 1089. And 38.1 squared gives us 1451.61. If we subtract, and then take the square root, we get approximately 19.04. And I'm going to go out 2 places because I want to round my final answer to the tenths. So I'm going to carry this calculation out to the hundredths. This is my apothem. So in my formula, I now know the A value, and I was given the perimeter, the P value. So I have 396 times 19.04 divided by 2. And when I put that in the calculator, I end up with an area that is approximately 3,769.92. That 2 will keep the 9 the same. So 3,769.9 units squared. See you next time.